All right, so this Life Funnel here. In this video, I'm going to show how to approve your weekly earnings. Okay, how to approve your weekly earnings. Okay, how to approve the earnings you made last week. Okay, so you approve it every Monday. Every Monday. So first of all, you click through the sell your data. Then you click on your earnings at the top over here, the top right corner over here. Your earnings, you click on it. Okay. So you click on check and approve your earnings. Real quick, you scroll down. You see over here. So that is what? Sunday 13th March 2022. So that is the earnings I made. 7.70. So either you dispute or you approve. So it is intact. There is nothing to dispute about. So I quickly approve. Click on approve. Then I have approved it. Real quick. That is all. So you have approved your earnings. All right. Boom. You're still up.